Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you where can you read the contact guidelines in the booking.com application. The first thing you need to do is enter the app. Once you're done with that and you are in the home page, you should look at the bottom of your right corner and there you will find your profile. Press on it and in this page you should scroll almost all the way down, and in the settings and legal section you should just press on content guidelines. Now you should wait a little bit until the new page loads in, and in this new page you can read all about the content standards and guidelines. You can just scroll down a little bit here and basically this is all about it. You can see here the overview, and if you want to read more in depth about this topic, you can select either content standards or content guidelines. So you can just press on one of these and you can read more about it, and you can also select more like a subtopic here and read even more if you want to. So pretty much this is all about it. Like I said, I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for listening and see you next time. Bye bye.